Having connection or charging issues with your JBL Charge 6 speaker? Let's fix it. Connection problems. Open your phone settings and go to Bluetooth. Ensure it's turned on. Turn off your speaker by pressing the power button once. Turn it back on by pressing the power button again. Check the connection. If it still doesn't connect, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and pair it again. To repair, press the Bluetooth button on the speaker so it will be blinking. Find the speaker in the Bluetooth list. Tap to reconnect. If connection issues persist, try a factory reset. Hold the play, pause, and volume up buttons for 2 seconds until the lights turn off. Power it on, and you should see that Bluetooth button is blinking, meaning that the speaker has been successfully reset. Then, forget the device on your phone once more and pair again. Charging issues. Disconnect all cables from the speaker. Perform a reset by holding the play, pause, and volume up buttons for 2 seconds until the lights turn off. Then, press the power button and check that the Bluetooth button is now blinking, meaning that the speaker has been successfully reset. Plug in the charging cable securely and check the LED indicator for charging status. If the issue continues, try using a different charging cable or adapter. Hit subscribe for more easy fixes.